Makers around the world find 3D printing amazing. There are thousands of different types of 3D printers. The flip side is that it's not very easy to know which printer best fits your needs and use cases. And just because a printer has a set of specifications, it doesn't mean we know the actual printing performance. Meet BenchO, an open-source benchmark suite for 3D printers. By printing and measuring a set of models driven by features from actual use cases, we can evaluate and compare 3D printer performance from different aspects including quality, accuracy, and efficiency. BenchO can also group performance aspects based on the industry that various use cases fall under, producing a summary of how suitable a printer is for a particular industry. BenchO also provides an open platform for sharing tips and skills, and even slicer software profiles for improving printing performance and the maker experience. BenchO is open source because we want it to be convincing and widespread. You can contribute to the BenchO community by sharing your test results and tips or profiles. Join us for better 3D printers.